I'm here for the Sloan Summit. I have never missed a Sloan Summit. It's been amazing.
The summit is the coming together of hundreds of years of experience to make sure we really try to draw the best from ourselves through the inspiration of others.
Lifelong learning is one strapline that's used, but it's actually very true, it's very real. And I like to come back to the school. I attend the alumni events because fantastic professors come back and teach more of the current things that we want to learn.
Sloan Summit is a very good opportunity to be back at school. One day to meet my friends, to meet colleagues, and to know future people in my life, like the networking we are doing today.
I've met a lot of my own cohort, but also people that have come from MIT, from Stanford, from many different years, all gone on to do a really wide range of really interesting things.
It's like re-energizing yourself, and the talk about the future, where things are moving. I think it's absolutely great, and it's great to be here.
The biggest highlight of Sloan is reinventing. Reinventing yourself, reinventing some parts of the business, and reinventing the way we do leadership.
When I came here to do the Sloan, I was told that it's very difficult to change all 4 parameters: your industry, your geography, your level and your function. By the end of the year, I had managed to change all 4, so it has had a great impact on my life.
The biggest highlight of the Sloan is very difficult to define because there were a lot of them.
It's been absolutely transformational, there's absolutely no doubt about it.
Program gave me the confidence to really completely venture out on my own, go full out in the entrepreneurship world again. I started several ventures.
I learned about the world, about business, and really the most important thing, more about myself professionally and personally.
It's helped me gain more confidence taking risks in things that I want to do, and see more opportunities and how to deliver on them. And it's just made me live life much fuller than otherwise.
There is people from your class, they humble you by the kind of experience they have, and they can connect you with people across the globe. And that's amazing, right? And that's what you expect from a school of this cadre.
I was looking for something that could help me with the tools and the network, and quite honestly the confidence to be able to move into something completely different, and that's exactly what Sloan delivered.
If I'm trying to expand my business overseas, I've got lots of connections with people in many different countries now to initiate that endeavor to develop in other countries.
Well, the people, I think, is the biggest highlight of the Sloan course. You meet the most interesting, fascinating people. It's the most international of all the Sloan programs, so everybody is coming from all around the world. You know, the variety of experiences is very rich and diverse.
You don't attend classes anymore, you don't attend anymore every day, but you're always connected. To be honest, I never left LBS. You never leave LBS.